DRL commands, right? So in the DRL, we just understood about select statement. So today, we'll be discussing about operators, and then towards we go with further functions also. Here the command select star from tab is for see the list of the tables. Okay. Let me connect with another database. I'm connecting to Spot Tiger on the host Oracle. Here the table select star from tab. So last session, did we work with arithmetical operators? Madhu, Raja, Ragini.
We spoke about them, but not
Execute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So if you want to perform any arithmetical calculations in your query, you can use your arithmetical operators. Very simple. Select. Madhu, we can't hear you. Can you hear me? Okay, so here select simply one value 10 plus 20. I want to do it. So result is 30. Here your question must be, what is dual? It's nothing special. Dual is a system table. Dual is a system table. Dual is a dummy table. Dual is a system table. Dual is a dummy table. Okay. So which is simply intended to execute this kind of SQL queries when you are operating on constant values. Now 10 is not belongs to any table. 20 is not belongs to any table. 10 is simply a value, constant value. 20 is simply a constant value, right? So if at all you use the query like select 10 plus 20 from DEPT. In DEPT table, how many records are there? That many times your result will be repeated. If at all you use 10 plus 20 from EMP, in EMP table, how many records are there? That many times this result will be repeated. Okay, that's why instead of using a table while going with this kind of constants and working with constants, we can use the dummy table, dual. Dual is a dummy table. Dual is a system table. Actually, this dual table contains single column and single row. It's only for producing the result single time. Okay. So like this subtraction, multiplication also you can do. Of course, here what I want to do is I want to do like this. Select employee number, comma employee name, comma job, comma salary plus 1,000. So this month I am giving 1,000 extra bonus to the employees from EMP, because now the columns or column values are from EMP table. So employee number, employee name, job, salary columns are from EMP table. I am performing arithmetical calculation on the salary column. That's why I must use just a second. Sir. రాలేదండి. అది రేపు నుంచి. ఓకే ఓకే సార్. ఓకే 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 ఓకే. Yeah, sorry. So here, like this, any calculations I want to do on salary, I can do. But one thing you remember, here I am using a calculation like select salary, salary is a column, commission is a column in the EMP table. Simply, what I want to perform the calculation, the salary plus commission from EMP. See here, what is the result it is giving? So, for example, Raja's salary is 5,200. Of course, here Clark is the name. So, Raja's salary is 5,200. Due to he is a manager, he is not eligible for commission, so commission is null. So that I give null salary to the Raja. Raja, do you accept? Do you work for my company? Hello?
Yeah, no Srini.
Why? So salary is not coming, nothing is coming as salary, right? Everything is going. So here, simply it is a calculation problem with null value. So actually, even though commission is null, at least I have to get the salary, right? So here problem is any kind of arithmetical operation with null values returns null. Any kind of arithmetical operations with null values returns null. Here you supposed to handle null values. So for that we have a function in Oracle that is null handling function. Here instead of direct commission, I am using NVL. NVL is a function, NVL of column name, commission, comma 0. Means actually instead of 0 any value I can give, but I am giving the value 0. That means if you want to calculate or do something, if at all commission value is null, replace that null with 0 is the NVL function. So same NVL of commission comma 0, NVL of commission comma 0 I am using. See, now it giving you the result properly, right? So here wherever commission is null, it is replacing with 0. So now salary plus commission, the result it is giving. Salary plus commission, the result it is giving, right? Understand? So like this, either addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, anything you can do here. Okay. So plus is arithmetical addition, hyphen is for arithmetical subtraction, and star is for multiplication, slash is for division. Just you see my query. Select EMPNO, employee number, EMP name, ename, comma salary, comma NVL of commission comma 0, this is commission, as commission, right? So beside the column name or beside my derivation, if I use a space as the space some string, this is as some string. So that is going to be alias name of this. So I specified alias name. Then I want to calculate gross salary. I want to calculate gross salary. So gross salary is nothing but salary plus commission. So sal plus NVL of commission comma 0 as GRSSAL, gross salary. Then 10%, 11% of this gross salary is tax. 11% of this gross salary is tax. So here salary plus NVL of commission is gross salary into 11 by 100 as tax. Okay, this is another calculation. Then this gross salary minus tax is what? Net salary. So I can do like this. This is gross salary. This is gross salary minus this is tax as net sal from EMP, right? See, here I calculated gross handled null value in commission, calculated gross salary, calculated tax, 11% is tax, and gross salary minus tax is net salary. So this is how I can use my arithmetical operations. And as well, you did understood what is the alias name, how to specify alias name. Since I specified alias name, that's why here I get the title GRSSAL, COMM, GRSSAL, tax and net sal. Otherwise, it could be like this. Understand? So this is how we can give the alias names. So like this, any arithmetical operations you can do using this arithmetical operator. Okay. This is what about NVL function. This is what about how to perform the arithmetical operations. All of you clear about it? Then let me see about comparison operators. Comparison operators. Before going to comparison operators, did I tell you about distinct operation in SQL query and order by class? These things did I told you? Last session did we discuss? Order by class, I hope?
Yeah, order by yes. Distinct, no, I don't think so.
Distinct we have not discussed, right?
No.
Yeah.
So distinct is used to eliminate duplicate rows from your output. Distinct is simply used to eliminate duplicate rows in your output. See here. Select DEPTNO from EMP. This is my simple query. Here do I have duplicate rows or not? Duplicate values or not? Here I have duplicate records, right? 10 is having multiple times, 20 is having multiple times, 30 is having multiple times. So I am not saying there are duplicate records in the EMP table. I am saying there are duplicate records in this output only, in the output of the select statement. Okay. So if you use like this, if you use distinct, if you use distinct DEPTNO, it eliminates the duplicates. So instead of multiple tens, it gives only ones. Instead of multiple 20s, it gives only ones. Instead of multiple 30s, it gives only once, right? Let us see another example. I'm giving select DEPT-NO, comma, job, both. From EMP, for your easy identification, I'm giving order by DEPT-NO, comma, job. See here, 10 clerk, single occurrence. 10 manager, 2 occurrences. 10 president, single occurrence. 20 analyst, multiple occurrences. 20 clerk, multiple occurrence. 20 manager, single occurrence. 30 clerk, single occurrence. 30 manager, single occurrence. 30 salesman, multiple occurrences. Right. If this is the case, what do we do? So if you want to eliminate duplicate records, simply select distinct DEPT-NO, comma, job from EMP. So it eliminates duplicates. So here 17 records having duplicate records. Here unique set of records in output, that is 9 records is showing as an output. So like this, to eliminate the duplicate values, you can use distinct class, and also you understood order by class, right? So let us understand about concatenation operator 2. The 2 pipe symbols is the concatenation operator in SQL. Suppose I want to write select hello is a text, concatenation operator. Welcome is a text. See, now this both will be concatenated. Hello is a separate text. Welcome is a separate text. Now this both will be concatenated. Even I am writing a query something like select D is the text. D concatenation symbol, EMP-NO, concatenation symbol, employee name is concatenation symbol, sorry, single quotes close, concatenation symbol, ename, concatenation symbol, single quotes, and his or her salary is, it's again a text, concatenation symbol, sal from EMP. See how the result is? So it is showing employee number, and also it is giving employee names, and also it is giving salary values. But using the concatenation symbol, I concatenated all together with some of the text values. So see the title here, title is also something like that. So what I am doing here is I am specifying alias name for this as, please and observe, alias name I am specifying in double quotes, employee salary info, right, within the double quotes. Earlier I did not give double quotes, I gave single keys, single keywords. But here you see employee salary info, this is the salary info. So like this, if you want to concatenate multiple values, you can use the concatenation symbol. Are you clear about concatenation symbol? Radhika, Ragini?
Yeah.
This is how we can use concatenation symbol in SQL. The next, we are going to work with
What is the purpose of the symbol?
Please?
What is the major importance of that symbol? Like?
Stick two values side by side. Okay.
Okay.
But at this query, it really doesn't make sense. Only for the example's sake and to give you the understanding about what is the concatenation symbol, what exactly it does. Only I framed this query. Okay.
Okay.
But further, in several examples, we will use this concatenation symbol. Really, it is useful to us. Even in PLSQL also, we are going to use it.
Okay.
Now, what is concatenation symbol? You understood simply, right?
Yeah, making it side by side.
Yes, that's it. So instead of different columns, just both together I want to stick and want to make it as a single value, I can concatenate the both, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what concatenation symbol, very simple. Even you have a concat function also, a string function. So further in the several examples, we will be using this concatenation symbol wherever we require. Okay, then you will understand what are the different situations you require this.
Okay.
Okay. So then let me go with the operators. You know where class, right? Simply equal to operator is to check equality. Select star from EMP where something like DEPT and O equal to 10. It is checking equality. Where job is equal to manager, it is checking for equality. Okay, so simply in the where class is used to specify your comparison operations, relational operations, and check a condition. In the condition, equal to is used to check for equality. Similarly, not equal to symbol. If you see other than manager, you can use the symbol not equal to symbol like this. It doesn't show manager at this moment. It will show other than all, other than manager, remaining all other than manager. Simply, if you show where DEPTNO not equal to, for the not equal to, you can use either this symbol or you can use another symbol also, not equal to 10, suppose. So it does not show you 10, remaining 20 and 30 it will show you. Either you use this symbol as not equal to, or you use exclamation equal to symbol as not equal to symbol, it gives you the same. Or you can use cap equal to symbol is also not equal to symbol. Okay. Of course, there is no necessity of having these many not equal to symbols, just varieties of users' flexibility purpose. Okay. So this is what not equal to symbol. And as well, you can use greater than symbol, less than symbol, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. You see, select star from EMPCP. EMPCP table is not there, okay. Okay. Okay, select star from EMP. This is my employee table. In this, I want to write the query. I want to display the employee details. Who is taking less than 2,500 salary, right? So you can write select star from EMP where salary is less than 2,500. Means it does not include 2,500. Whose salary is less than 2,500, only those salaries will be appearing to you. Suppose if you use greater than symbol, whose salary is more than 2,500, it will be appear. Okay. If you use equal to, whose salary is exactly equal to 2,500, then details appear. Actually, no one is taking this 2,500 salary absolutely. Okay. So, of course, greater than or equal to you can use, Means who is taking salary that is either 2,500 or more than 2,500. That is the meaning of greater than or equal to. Similarly, you can use the symbol less than or equal to also. Less than or equal to also, right? So these are the very regular and quite naturally we used comparison operators. Everyone know very well about it, right? Equal to for equality checking, not equal to is for not equal checking for non-equality, greater than symbol, less than symbol, greater than or equal to, not equal to, you know. But here my requirement is I want to display employee details whose commission is null. Okay. I want to display employee details whose commission is null. As of now, we know, if you understand, you're supposed to write the query right like this, right? Select start from EMP where commission is equal to null. This is how you're supposed to write the query. You can guess writing the query, right? But you see it doesn't return any value. But in this case, when you are checking equality with null value, don't use equal to. You use is null. This is how to check the equality with null values. That is null. Okay. Suppose who is taking commission? Who is taking not null commission? Okay. So here is not null. So that is a is null operator, and another one is not null operator. Is null operator and is not null operator. And next one we see between operator. Suppose I want to write select star from EMP where sal between something like I want to display 2000 and 3000 range. In between 2000 to 3000, how many people are taking salary? Who is taking salary? This is the only one employee is taking salary within the range 2000 to 3000 in between. Within that range. Suppose I want to see who is taking salary in between the range 2000 to 4000. Okay, these are the employees taking salaries in between 2000 to 4000. So not between means out of this range. Who is taking salary out of this range? Between means within the specified range. Not between means out of the range. So who is taking salary not in between 2000 and 4000 means either it display less than 2000 or it display more than 4000. But in between 2000 to 4000 range it doesn't display, right? This is the between operator and not between operator. Is null, is not null, between, not between operators, right? Similarly, you can use in operator, not in operator also. Very simply, you try to understand equal to symbol is used to compare with equality. Equal to symbol is used to compare for equality. This equal to symbol means checking with single value, checking the condition with the specified single value. If you want to specify multiple values, then equal to symbol is not enough. You have to use in operator. See here. Select star from EMP where sal in either 1000 or 2850. Excuse me. Hello, Japanese. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Here I specify salary in either 1000 or either 2850 or 3000 or 1500. Like this, I specified multiple values in the list. Okay. So in means comparing with multiple values, checking equality with multiple values. The meaning of this condition is either salary equal to 1000 or salary is equal to 2850 or salary is equal to 3000 or salary is equal to 1500. That means salary may be in any one of these values. Check the match the condition, right? So if you write a condition like this, select star from EMP where salary is equal to 1000 or salary is equal to 1500 or salary is equal to 2850 or salary is equal to 3000. Both are same. Sorry. Select star from EMP. Both result will be the same, but this is the simplified format. In operator is simplified format. It is used to check equality with multiple values. That is the in operator. If you want to take negative of this in, means whose salary is not equal to the specified values in the list, you can use the operator not in, right? This is what in operator and not in operator, is null operator, is not null operator, between operator, not between operator. Okay. Something like that. Similarly, you can use the operators like greater than any, greater than all. Suppose here instead of in and not in, if I specify greater than any, that means salary is greater than any one of these specified values. Salary is greater than any one of these specified values. That means in the specified values, whatever is minimum value, if the salary is more than that, then it is matching the condition, right? See, it will show you all salaries more than 1000. All employees taking salary more than 1000. 951 employee was there, but it is not giving. Similarly, you can use greater than all. Greater than all means salary must be greater than of all the values in the specified list. In this case, if the salary is more than the maximum value in the specified list, then the condition satisfies. See, it gives more than 3000 salary holder details. This is what greater than any and greater than all. Similarly, you can also use less than any. Less than any means what? Salary is less than of any one of these specified values. In this case, if the salary is less than of maximum value in the specified values, then condition satisfies. See, it will show you the salary that is less than 3000. As well, less than all. Less than all. That means if the salary is less than of all the values in the specified list, then it gives you the condition satisfied. Okay. So this is less than all operator. So in operator, not in operator, between operator, not between operator, less than any operator, less than all operator, greater than any operator, greater than all operator, is null, is not null. Okay. These all are the operators, and one more operator we have to understand, that is like operator, right? So this like operator is for string comparison. So select star from EMP So actually, where ename like, here within the single quotes I am giving S percentile. That means employee name begin with S. So the first character must be S. Rest of the all characters, remaining characters can be anything. That is S percentile. Percentile symbol matching with n number of unknown characters. That is pattern matching. Suppose if I give A percentile, okay. So here I am giving employee name like A percentile S. So beginning with A and ending with S, right? If I am giving underscore A percentile, that means the second character of the name should be A. The second character of the name should be A, right? So like this, underscore represents the single unknown character, percentile symbol represents n number of unknown characters. So using this pattern matching characters, you can build your pattern. The like operator is used to check the condition based on pattern. So for this pattern comparison, you can use this like operator. These are the relational operators. And of course, you people know about AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator, right? Okay. So to combine multiple, for example, I want to see in the department number 30, select star from EMP where DEPTNO is equal to 30 and job is equal to manager. So in the department number 30, whoever is the manager, that employee details I want to display. I don't want to display all department or all managers. So department number should be 30 and also job is also should be manager. Like this AND operator you can use. Okay. So NOT operator means within the not equal to NOT operator is there. Within the not in the NOT operator is there. Within the not between NOT operator is there. Okay. See, here I am giving where not DEPTNO equal to 30. It gives other than 30 remaining departments. That is a not operator, negation operator. So these are the logical operators we are using here, right? These are the logical operators we are using. So these are the operators in SQL basically for your understanding. Okay? All of you clear about these operators or any confusion?
Very clear.
Anybody is having any questions at this moment? Sindhu, Raja, Ragini, Radhika,
Yeah, it's clear, Srinivas.
Naveen, Nidwani, Madhu. And actually the news for Raja, Ragini, Radhika, Naveen and Madhu. So you people are further going for Informatica class also parallelly. Okay. So tomorrow onwards we'll have one session is SQL session and one session is Informatica session. So without making much delay, I want to make it parallel. Are you comfortable?
Yeah, so you mean like you're going to continue from 9 to 10, it's going to be Informatica?
No, actually I am reducing the session time for SQL. That is 7:30 to 8:30. Okay, is going to be SQL session. 8:30 to 9:30 is going to be. Okay.
Hello.
7:30 to 8:30 India time is going to be. Means as per our regular starting time, we will start with SQL. Okay, 1 hour for SQL. After that, 1 hour for PLS. Informatica. So India time 8:30. I do start Informatica. Okay.
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 So anyhow, initially almost 1 week we supposed to go with data warehousing concepts. Okay, that takes time. Okay, so that's right. Madhu, starting completely might be complex. Okay, because other people are in other time. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. Because we are starting at 7:30 only, right?
Srinivas, I can't hear you voice at all.
Madhu? Yeah, first start with this and further by the time data warehousing concepts finish, we will complete the SQL part also. Then we can adjust the timings. It's not a big deal. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
I'm just here for like SQL and PLSQL, and then I'll be going for ERP, I think. So I'm not for Informatica.
You attend India time 7:30. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. You attend SQL part.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Srinivas, I'm Naveen, and I'll be going with Informatica. So you want me to attend Indian time by 8:30, right?
You people are Samba team attending for SQL and Informatica both.
Yes. So it could be like 7:30 to 9:30 Indian time, right?
Yes.
2 hours from tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, fine, all of you. Just today I'm winding up with simple session because still you people have to set up your machines. Okay. And Naveen, Raja, please help your colleagues how best if you have communication with them. Okay, with whom you have communication. It's just opening the virtual machine, right? All of you try to download, Sindhu, you try to download the 2 files and please careful about the size of the files. Okay.
Yeah, I started download actually.
So, still all the people are not at completely downloaded the things and started practicing. Today I am winding up with a simple session and tomorrow onwards we'll go with 2 sessions. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Madhu, can you call me once, Madhu? Madhu, you have my number, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, all of you, thank you. See you at tomorrow at the same time. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.